No words will do justice in expressing how prayer has impacted my life. I can say that by God's grace, I've learned, and I'm still learning, that prayer is not something that I engage into when I'm in need or in crisis. But prayer is a way of life. And prayer has actually helped or impacted my faith in God. In 2018, in prayer, God revealed to me that my wife and I were going to soon plant a congregation. And a week later, the leaders asked us to consider to plant a congregation in Kalicha. And that was almost 3 weeks before our wedding. And we did not hesitate and even wonder that as newlyweds would we do well. But we were full of faith, knowing that God had spoken. And I realized that prayer actually infuses us with faith to walk into the things that God has ordained for our lives. There are many others testimonies of answered prayers. One of our saints at one point came to us stressed and worried about a teenager who had left home into the streets of Cape Town and not knowing where she is. And we prayed and we called her name in prayer. And the very next morning, she was at the doorstep of her mother. And I believe God awaits us at the altar of prayer, that he can show himself strong on our behalf, and that Jesus may be glorified.